Welcome to Time News. In this episode, we have a total of 10 new pieces to share with you. Firstly, let's see the celebrities news. Longevity film is coming. The upcoming film Longevity Hackers features Edward Norton as narrator and is poised to be the largest longevity documentary yet, exploring breakthroughs in the healthy life extension and boasting a renowned lineup of contributors. The movie is set to be released early next year. Secondly, the FDA now allows Elon Musk's brain implant company for its first human trial. The implant inserted by a surgical robot could help treat paralysis and diseases, letting people control devices with their minds via a microchip that captures brain signals and sends data using Bluetooth. Next study about AI. To address challenges in mapping individual-specific epigenome, a deep learning model called eDICE was developed, showcasing its potential for predicting epigenetic variation. The study is published in Nature Communications. Now let's move on to the benefits of sports. A meta-analysis demonstrates significant inverse association between daily step count and all-cause mortality, with more the better over the cut-off point of around 4,000 steps per day for all-cause mortality and only around 2,500 steps for cardiovascular mortality. Telomere shortening linked to aging could be countered by more physical activity as well to reduce the risk of conditions like coronary heart disease. The study also found that longer leukocyte telomere length is related with lower coronary heart disease risk. The study is published on Neuroscience. Another study regarding telomeres. Telomeres length indicates aging, and its link to air pollution shows mixed findings. A study with 430,000 UK participants found that between air pollutants and telomere length, there are U-shaped and L-shaped relationships. Researchers looked at yeast and fruit flies, figuring out that specific genes connected to cell activity mess with how long the flies live, all thanks to stuff happening in their guts. This adds a new twist. It's not about sleep interruptions or how well you move. It's actually about how long you sleep that affects how long you live, published in a Nature series. Apart from this, emerging evidence also suggests that gut microbiota dysbiosis is a hallmark of aging-related diseases. Probiotics or leaf bacteria and postbiotics may be promising protection for the elderly. Relevant mechanisms are also discussed in this article. Next, a study by University of Mississippi Medical Center showed that age-related sensors SIRT1 and SIRT3 are like important guards for the heart, helping to keep it safe from damage during lack of blood flow. As we age, if these guards don't work well, our heart becomes weaker. Lastly, as a study issued on Science, after analyzing 15,000 samples across 348 mammalian species, researchers found that species with longer maximum lifespans have developed tighter methylation patterns, characterized by unique peaks and troughs of methylation. That brings us to the end of this week's Time News. We hope you find these updates informative and inspiring. We'll see you in next week's broadcast. Thank you and wish you a happy and long life.